What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all a quick tutorial update for my subscribers. I'm hoping this can help some people out there. This is something I've struggled with in the past, still struggle with a little bit now as well, but I think this is going to help some people be able to stay in positions longer for Bitcoin. It's also going to help keep you out of some trouble as well. So if you get something from this, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you like more of this, just let me know down low. So what I've been doing, guys, is just a little bit of back testing here, and I've been going through some different moving averages, and what I've really found is the 8 and the 21 week moving average, EMA, is great for capturing trends. And I'm sure other people have talked about this out there, but one thing that I like to do, guys, is turn off the candles so I don't get faked out by the big volatile swings that take place in cryptocurrency, because sometimes you can really psych yourself out if you're riding one of these trends to the upside and you see a massive bearish candle come in and you say, oh, this is the time to get out, and then it just continues to move to the upside after that one candle. So it helps not, so you don't get freaked out by what's going on with the price, and you can just really sit back and be patient and let the market work for you. So when we're looking at this, what I like to do is see the 8 cross over the 21, but I also like to see our 21 start to get some momentum to the upside. I don't want it to be moving sideways, just crossing back and forth here. I really want to start to see it slope to the upside. I'm looking for above average volume to accompany that, which is going to be important. And I want to see that forward momentum. So once we start to see this, guys, the 8 trading up above the 21, if you have gotten your entry, once we start to slope to the upside, you leave it alone. And you're going to leave it alone until the 8 crosses back through the 21. And here, guys, just to take a look at the date range of this, from the time we really started to slope to the upside, I would say an entry of around 414 here, up to when we had a serious cross would be at 9,736, and that would be 805 days. So this can really capture major trends for you. So stepping back here, if we take a look at the date range, from when we got that cross to the downside to when we started moving to the upside, we're looking at about another 413 days and a large percentage to the downside. So what this can do is keep you out of trouble as well. I don't short Bitcoin, but say people are shorting Bitcoin. You guys short Bitcoin. Don't short Bitcoin when the 8 and the 21 are moving to the upside. Don't even attempt any shorts, any reactions. Just leave it alone, any corrections. Okay, you don't mess with that. You only go long when you see that. If the 8 crosses down below the 21's on top, then you can do your shorting, but you're not taking long positions in there. And what this can do is keep you out of trouble and keep you from getting bled in either direction. So if we go further here, we have another nice cross to the upside. We start to see some momentum here in the 21. Say you entered about at 6,500, guys. The exit here would have been about 8,900. So that's still a nice little trade. You're not going to nail tops. You're not going to nail bottoms, but what we're trying to do is get the thick of the trend. Here, when we're moving sideways, we're crossing up above, crossing down below. We wouldn't be taking this because we have not had that slope to the upside yet in the 21. So like we said, we're not trying to capture bottoms here. We need a slope to the upside. Say we enter in here on heavier volume, that would put you an entry at 11,600. We'd cross down below here. We start to lose our momentum, guys, and you're out at $41,000. Here we're moving sideways, no significant volume. We have a move to the downside of the 21, or I'm sorry, the 8 down through the 21. In this entire bear market, the 21 stayed on top of the 8. You're not taking any long positions. If you are shorting, that's the time when you're shorting. And then we just recently had a cross back to the upside of the 8 and the 21. The only thing here, guys, we want to see that continued volume. Right now, each time when we've been getting pushed up, we have diminishing volume right now. So definitely something I'm keeping an eye on, and I want to see if we can hold the price action of this 21 EMA, which is going to put us at 27,630. Then we have our major order block up here at 55,500 to the upside. But what this can do is keep you in trends. And how you do this, guys, what I like to do, I go up in here and I'll actually turn off the bodies. You can see the borders and the wicks. So now we have our candles right here as they've been marching up. And just to show you the candles, how this worked, take a look in this bull market here. The candles supported this 21 the entire way to the upside there. Same here, guys, nice bullish candle. We start to get our slope to the upside. So I even set an entry maybe right in this range here, and you ride it up until you get that exit and you capture what you can. Then you take a look back in this range just to show you with the candles on. We had wicks down through it. We held here, held, all this along we held in that bull market. And then the bear market we popped above a few times, but you can see it was that downward slope the entire time. So really looking for that volume, looking for the 8 to cross up through the 21 to get a nice slope, volume to come in, and to see that 21 held on the weekly time frame. This can really help you hold trades, and sometimes you can even take that price off. So I want to start doing tutorials, help you all as much as I can. I love you guys. God bless you all. Take care.